Konnichiwa, motherfuckers. Wasuminasai, motherfuckers.
Wasuminasai.
Ohio gozaimasu, motherfuckers.
Welcome to a new video about my life in Japan. This video I want to talk about a really nice weekend I just had. I went to harvest rice in Kunisaki. Kunisaki is a region in Japan close to Oita, and we were invited by my Japanese tutor to harvest rice with an old friend of him, which was amazing. First we went out on the rice field. This was an empty rice field harvested the day before, and then we cooked rice in bamboo. This is not a traditional thing, this is a new thing that the friend is trying to set up, sort of. Eating the rice from the bamboo was very nice because it was fresh rice. The rice that we ate was harvested the day before, and the people we were with had made all these shiitake mushrooms and some or the bean jelly and stuff themselves, and it was very tasty. It was a really great experience. Then we got to go to harvest the rice first by hand, which was very hard work, especially if you want to do the whole field by hand. The person told us that it would take around 60 people one whole day. I think families and friends would help, and you would harvest the rice in one day, the whole day long. But then we got to do it with the machine, which was really faster and also a lot of fun. After farming, we went to this famous Kunisaki shrine. Actually, the shrine isn't the most known. It's the two statues in front of the shrine that the place is known for. And of course we took nice group pictures, which was great, and we had a lot of fun. This was an extra long weekend because there was a special day in Japan. So we also climbed Mount Tsurumi, which was really nice. I'm used to hiking in Austria, but this was something new. This mountain was especially challenging, I guess, especially if you have short legs, which I don't, luckily. But some of my friends had a hard time getting up some rocks, which I totally understand. But the view was amazing. At the top of the mountain, everybody made it, sort of. Everybody made it, luckily, and we had a great time. And we had the luck that there was a cable car going down, so we didn't have to descend it again ourselves. We could just take the car, which is great. After we climbed the mountain and we're down again in Beppu, we ate ramen after searching for the place for 15 minutes because some people couldn't tell which direction we had to go. I'm not blaming anyone. I like the ramen especially. I think it's the best ramen I had so far because it had dumplings in it, and I love dumplings. So it was really good. And after the day, it was necessary to have this. I guess this is the end of this video. I'll see you all next time. Special thanks to Kevin.
See you next time!
Bye.